Extreme close up!
Hey. Are you keeping my computer warm? Sending an email? Okay. Excellent work. Now what? Cat error 404. That's what I thought. Chasing his tail way up high on the ledge. Loki, we bought you for your looks.
Not your brain.
The engine's running, but nobody's behind the wheel. The hamster wheel is moving, but the hamster's dead.
Oh, and he almost
You're gonna fall. We're gonna take a trip to the emergency room for kitties. You were a silly girl. It's silly boy.
Oh, God.
You did it again.
You did not catch that on video, did you?
Did you destroy that leopard? Did you skin that leopard? Now you're softening it. You're gonna sell it on the black market. Yeah. Yeah. It's a nicely padded leopard skin.
When does he lie down?
Padded by a possum.
It's not perfect yet. You can't lie down.
No. More comfort.
Use your aggressive feelings, boy. Let the hate flow through you.
Oh.
Hey, that's yours, isn't it? Yeah. It's your leopard blanket. Nope, hide. Silly. Now what? That's what I thought. He's checking for things. It's a nice spring day. You find stuff? What? So much to do. So much to see. Up. Found something. You're going crazy. What is it? What's this? What's this? There's insects everywhere. What's this? I smell that in the air. What's this? What is going on with you? Hey, you all set there? Or you need more? Yep, there you go, right back in there. He's sitting upright, but he wants to take a nap.
Why?
There you go.
Why? Josh, lift him up.
Because he can.
Lift up the bag.
Oh. We have Loki. Here, produce. You. Please like and subscribe for more randomness.